Hello everyone, welcome back to QKR YouTube channel. Today I brought some really cute and fun, whatever. It's a really cute pattern tights, which is animal series monkey stocking type of pantyhose. So it looks like a stocking, but it's actually pantyhose, but also has a animal shape. It's cute. I'm excited to try that. It's also leg avenue. Before we get into trying this pantyhose on, please like this video, and if you forgot or if you just new to here, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to see more content, exclusive content, please join my membership site. It will be really huge appreciation. It will be huge appreciate for your support. So let's get into that leg avenue. I got some question from you guys if I ever tried this leg avenue. So I said no, but finally here we go. It's my first or second. I don't really remember, but I'm so new to this leg avenue brand, and especially with this cute animal pattern stocking shape of pantyhose. Hell yes. Oh, okay, so the legs area with the black, it's opaque, and also it's sheer. Wow, that looks so long. Look at this long. And let me show you the patterns. Cute animal face, monkey. I will be right back to try this on. I can tell this is really soft here, like a sheer area from my waistband to in the middle of thigh. It's good. I will be right back. Ta-da! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's really cute. And you know what? It's way softer than I expected. Because this package was very simple and small, so I didn't think their quality is good, but I underestimated them. This is really soft, and I love this feeling. And especially here, just a sheer area, it's better than this part. This part average, but this, sheer area, it's soft. And look at this monkey face. Oh my goodness. That looks like very small before trying, before put on. And look at this, how big and they're wide, their monkey face when it comes on my thigh. And the cutest part is their tail. Look at this. I like their detail, so they have a face front and also their tail on the back. How cute it is. I have to holding my skirt a little bit up to show you guys this face a little clearly. I think I love it. I kind of want to wear this for like a Halloween party or something. Oh, cute. I love that. Don't you love it? I'm gonna give this detail and how they look like 9 over 10. Thank you for making these cute tights. Legs Avenue, okay, I like you guys. It's so cute. Let me know what you think, and please please share your opinions and your experience if you ever tried this Legs Avenue, the other pattern tights or other shape of, some unique tights. Well, thank you very much for watching my video today. I am really glad to see you guys, and I'm hoping for seeing you again on the next video. Bye!